On the first day of pumpkins, I focused trends personally. On the second day of pumpkins, I focused on the details of individuality. On the third day of pumpkins, I invoked for the best of healing modalities. On the fourth day of pumpkins, I evoked a sense of harmony. On the fifth day of pumpkins, I invoked for what is actually best for my family. On the sixth day of pumpkins, I evoked the sense of the transitory. On the seventh day of pumpkins, I found the value in a sense of what is solitary. On the eighth day of pumpkins, I invoked for more the bounty. On the ninth day of pumpkins, I call out what furthers us developmentally. On the 10th day of pumpkins, I invoke for the joy of every completion for you and me. On the 11th day of pumpkins, I directed my connections to cosmology. On the 12th day of pumpkins, I turn from temporal authority in deciding what makes a holiday, away from temporary authority towards the real holiday, directing my connections to cosmology, joyous of every completion of you and me, furthering developmentally, invoking bounty, value of the solitary, sensing the transitory, actually best for friends and family, identification, harmony, benefiting with the modality, detailing individuality, focusing on becoming in the transpersonality.